We can add echo, we can add reverb to it, or we even thought that we could probably put some sensors here.
If we could create Street View in a 3D environment, if we can, because we have all the data by Google already and it's open.
But since we know the story before,
What would happen if really enterprising, independent, skilled set of people with extremely diverse backgrounds are locked together in one room with all the creative freedom and all the technological prototyping tools they would ever need?
Can you be fast? Can you be really fast? I want to see a rapid movement on the screen like here.
These really eager faces here in the audience, very excited about the workshop as we all are.
My mentor taught me that when engineering is viewed from an art's perspective, when it amalgamates with design comes something wonderful. So this is the place where I see that opportunity.
For both sides, whether it's engineering or designer, you kind of step into the other place where you're very uncomfortable, but you start, you go in with your tools. I think that's what's important. If you have your tools and you're kind of trying to tame a material, you make more progress.
I love the reactions.
We have a lot of people coming from different backgrounds, so we have some people who are a lot more familiar with typical engineering, and we have some people who are more experienced in design. So we went through having them interview someone, and then come up with some insights about what the person really needed, and then go through sketching, prototyping, and then asking the person, is this something you would really use?
Part of my research is to see how people appropriate spaces for play and how playful interactions actually happen in the city.
We're practicing design thinking and rapid prototyping and getting a whole bunch of ideas out there, choosing one, figuring out how to make that really rapidly and creatively so you can keep iterating and testing with people.
These are quotes that we overheard people say, and throughout the entire travel today, we recorded sounds.
So we had to basically integrate textiles and electronics in a one prototype. On the first day we had a field trip. So then we realized that Zardozi is actually a metal wire. We came up with the idea of a speaker, so we can just coil around a magnet.
I wear this, and while all of this is going on, the brainwaves get recorded, and probably I just upload it to a data server.
You can look around a lot more though. Like as you move, you can move around and look.
Being able to create your environment, your attitude, your space, and not to consume it.
the most important attribute that people have had that I've seen has been adaptability.
What our students are currently doing is teaching each other very useful skills like some people are doing origami or different hand postures for dance.
Totally immersively collaborative.
Wants to take one and invert it. So you basically make sure it's closed. Step one.
And you're going to think about 3 ideas that you have for things you might do here over the next couple days.
So we're going to digitize it. We can add echo, we can add reverb to it.
So we're trying to combat both these problems by creating a bio printer as well as a bio paper.
So we're tackling the problem of elephants coming into human villages. We're fencing the entire village with virtual sensors, lasers, and we're sending out signals about elephant activity.
Definitely, I feel like it's opened their minds up, and they suddenly, I don't think they'll ever look at a piece of cotton fabric the same way again. I can guarantee you that much, and I feel like my job's done if that's done.
And the guy just punched me on my face saying that, I know you guys, you guys are interested in wildlife, you want to save that elephant. And the minute there's something happens to elephant, all these guys come, press, NGOs, government. But where the hell were you when my daughter died?
I've never met so many people from different disciplines, design and social development and everything else. So I learned quite a bit from all of them as well.
Every day I come home and I think, all right, what went wrong today? What can I try tomorrow?
I can see a lot of the people here are just at the beginning of a really exciting career, really exciting path in their lives.
First they plugged your nose and they had you taste 3 different kinds of juices. And at first it's like your nose is plugged, so it's just completely chalky and awkward. And the second they take it off, it's like it's Technicolor.
I don't think innovation has anything to do with technology, frankly.
People from different fields, different disciplines come together and solve a problem, and it's a complete solution.
Losing the fear of other disciplines.
Parallel thinking.
Getting jammed and juggled.
Beautiful chaos.
It's all about stimulation, it's about expansion, and it's about ideas.